Hey everyone, having trouble with your Google Meet microphone? Do not worry. It is a common issue but easily fixed. First, check the obvious. Is your microphone muted? Is the volume turned up both in Google Meet and your system settings? If you're using an external mic, make sure it is properly plugged in. Next, let's look at permissions. In your browser, ensure Google Meet has access to your microphone. A quick toggle off and on can sometimes do the trick. If you have multiple audio devices, double check Google Meet is using the correct one in its settings. Are other apps hogging your microphone? Close any unnecessary programs. An outdated browser or Google Meet app can also cause problems, so update both for optimal performance. Still no luck? A simple restart of your device might clear up temporary glitches. A weak internet connection can also disrupt audio, so make sure you've got a strong signal. Try a different browser to rule out browser specific issues. If your mic is still silent, test it independently using a microphone testing website. If all else fails, it's time to reach out to Google Meet support for further assistance. Remember, a clear microphone makes for a smooth meeting.